Hello friends, in this video we will talk about milli-equivalence calculations. So let's get started. In milli-equivalent calculation, we have to remember few things like formulas. The first formula for milli-equivalent is millimoles multiplied by valence. And other formula is milli-equivalent is equals to milligram over molecular weight multiplied by valence. And one more form of same formula is when you will be given with the volume in the question. So it will be milli-equivalent per ml is equals to milligram per ml over molecular weight multiplied by valence. Now what is valence? It's a charge of ions. The other thing we will learn in this video is molecular weight, how to calculate the molecular weight. One more thing you have to remember is millimoles is equals to milligram over molecular weight. So here the basic formula is for milli-equivalent is millimoles into valence, but we replace millimoles with the milligram per molecular weight. Just like this, millimoles is equals to milligram divided by molecular weight. So sometimes in question you will be asked about the millimoles, sometimes you will be given with milligrams. So depend upon the question, we will choose formula out of these. Now first we will learn how to find molecular weight. So step 1, list each element in the formula. So whatever element present in formula, we will list them. Then using periodic table, we will find the atomic mass of each element. The third one is multiply each atomic mass of element with the number of atoms present in the formula. For example, we have calcium chloride. So we have 1 atom of calcium and 2 atoms of chloride. So 1 calcium and molecular weight for calcium is 40. So 1 into 40 plus 2 because chloride is 2 into 35.5, which is the atomic mass of chlorine. When we solve it, we will get 111 gram per mole. Remember that the molecular weight unit is gram per mole. So initially when you are practicing, download a periodic table. I will give a link in my description which is available free on Google, or at least you have to remember these ions. These are the most commonly used ion in exam in pharmacy. So try to remember them: sodium, potassium chloride, bicarbonate, magnesium, calcium sulfate, carbonate, aluminium, ferric and citrate. With these valencies, with the atomic masses, at least you have to learn this table by heart for milli-equivalent calculations. Now next is we will see some sample question. Question number 1. How many millimoles are there in 5 grams of calcium chloride? So we have the formula millimoles is equals to milligram over molecular weight. We know that 5 grams, when we convert it into milligram, we have to multiply with the 1000, so 5000 milligrams. Now we will find molecular weight of calcium chloride. So same as we did before, 1 atom of calcium multiplied by 40 plus 2 atoms of chloride multiplied by 35.5 is equals to 111 gram per mole. Now here please give attention to this step. We want everything in milligrams and millimoles, and here the molecular weight unit is gram per mole. So when we convert this gram into milligram and mole into millimole, we have to multiply with the 1000 and then divide with the 1000. So these 2000 cancel out and the same value will exactly convert into milligram over millimoles. You can do this step one by one, but I did in a one go. Just remember that when gram per mole convert into milligram per millimole, the value remains same. So in exam, just remember this, okay? Now everything when we put in the formula, we will get millimoles is equals to 5000 divided by 111 is equals to 0.045 millimoles. That will be our answer. Another example, how many milligrams of sodium acetate are present in 50 millimoles of a substance? So we have formula millimoles is equals to milligram over molecular weight. When we rearrange it for milligrams, we will get millimoles multiplied by molecular weight. Now the molecular weight of sodium acetate is 2 atoms of carbon, so 2 multiplied by 12, 3 atoms of hydrogen, so 3 multiplied by 1, then 1 sodium, so 1 multiplied by 23, and oxygen is 16 with 2 atoms, so multiply by 2. When we solve all these, we will get 82 grams per mole, or as we previously discussed, 82 milligrams per millimole. Then we put all the values in formula. We will get 50 millimoles multiplied by 82 and we get 4100 milligrams. Now next is in example 3, we will learn how to calculate valency. So you can learn by heart with the table, or if you get any formula which is not listed in the table, you know how to calculate the valence. So first example, write the valence of sodium chloride, NaCl. When you dissociate NaCl into a solution, it will break into sodium and chlorine. Sodium has plus one charge and chlorine has -1. So both have 1. Valence is, we will take either a cation or an absolute anion. So here we both have 1, 1. So the valence of sodium chloride is 1. Similarly, in another example, write the valence of calcium carbonate. So here calcium has +2 and carbonate has -2. They both are like. We will take either the absolute cation or absolute anion. We both have 2, so the valence of calcium carbonate is 2. That's how we find the valence of each example, each formula. Now next example is how many milliequivalent of magnesium sulfate molecular weight is equals to 120 are presented in 2 grams of anhydrous magnesium sulfate. We have formula milliequivalent is equals to milligram over molecular weight multiplied by valence. Here valence is magnesium sulfate. Magnesium has +2 and sulfate has -2. So the valence is 2. Now we know that 2 grams is equals to 2000 milligrams. So we have valency, we have milligrams, we have molecular weight. Now put everything in the formula, then we will get 33.33 milliequivalent as our answer. And other example which is little tough, but in exam actually questions come like this. So Ringer's injection contain 0.30% of sodium chloride, 0.33% of potassium chloride and 0.045% of calcium chloride. How many milliequivalent of calcium chloride are contained in 1.5 liter of the injection? We have formula milliequivalent is equals to milligram, molecular weight and valence. So the valency of calcium chloride is 2. We already know calcium has +2 cation, chloride -2. Okay, so chloride has -1, but it has 2 atoms. So 1 + 1 is 2. So the valence is 2. Next is calcium chloride in 1.5 liter. So we know the percentage here, which is 0.045 grams in 100 ml. So x gram in 1500 ml. We get 6.75 grams. When we convert it into milligram, it will be 6750 milligrams. Then the molecular weight of calcium chloride is 1 × 40 plus 2 × 35.5, and we got 111 gram per mole or 111 milligram per millimole. Continue with the previous question. We found that valency of calcium chloride is 2. Molecular weight of calcium chloride is 111 milligram per millimole. And weight of calcium chloride is 6750 milligrams. Now put everything in the formula. We got 121.62 milliequivalent. This is all for now. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe. Bye for now and keep waiting for practice question. I will post soon for milliequivalent. Thank you so much. Bye bye.